I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I have got a really motivating and satisfying clean with me. I really think you guys are going to enjoy this one, but I am basically just cleaning up the family room and the kitchen, but I'm also spending a little extra time in the areas that don't get cleaned very often. So I'm really excited about that, and I really hope you guys enjoy today's extreme clean with me and it gets you up and moving and getting some things done. So let's just get started and get cleaning together.
Cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides.
But also really quick, if you guys are new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this. I really hope you do enjoy this, and if you do, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. But if you're not subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I know you guys will enjoy what this channel has to offer, especially if you enjoy videos like this one. We have lots and lots of cleaning motivation, you're organizing and decorating, and all of the good things in between, so be sure to subscribe before you guys leave here. But alright, let's get to it.
I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight.
Okay, so as you can see, we are starting in the living room, and right now I'm just kind of straightening things up and cleaning up everything as best as I can. But I'm also going to be taking out all of the toys, or just basically anything that sits on the floor, because I'm also going to be doing a carpet refresh in here. You guys saw this in my last video when I did it to our master bedroom. And I'm so excited. This stuff smells so good. So I'm so excited for that.
Make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you.
So you guys can't see it here, and I wish I would have shown you, but the dust on this entertainment center was so bad. I don't even know how that happened, but it was so bad and desperately needed to be cleaned.
I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you.
So I am also slowly getting ready to do some major spring cleaning, and with that I really try and prepare myself and start dusting in places that are not normally dusted, which includes my blinds. So that is something that I am also taking the time to do today, especially in the living room, because it hasn't been done in quite some time. So I am doing that right now. But just out of curiosity, how often do you guys dust your blinds or clean your window shades, whatever you guys have on there? But let me know down below how often you guys clean those.
I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me.
Okay, so now that the dusting and the cleaning is pretty much all done in the family room, I'm gonna go ahead and start using this carpet refresh, and this stuff is is from Aunt Fanny's. It's called Aunt Fanny's Carpet Refresh, and I actually just get it from Grove. And I've talked about this before in my previous video, but this stuff smells amazing. It is something that I highly recommend if you're looking for a really refreshing carpet refresher. It's not the fragrance is not overly powerful, and I love it. It's super easy to use. You just powder your carpet and let it sit for 15 minutes. So while that's sitting, I'm going to go into the kitchen and start on some dishes, and then I'll go back into the family room to vacuum it up. So I have been dying to take down my Valentine's Day decor. Valentine's is way over by now and it has been driving me crazy, but I ended up getting really sick and found like no motivation to do anything. But I'm finally back on my feet and I'm feeling so much better, and I actually got it filmed for you guys and I am so excited to share it with you. I also did a little bit of redecorating and gave the house a little bit of a fresh spring look, and I absolutely love it. So keep an eye out for that. You'll be seeing that video on Sunday, so make sure your bell notifications are on so you guys get notified when it uploads. So the kitchen is a huge indicator at how this morning has gone. At this point of the day, it was probably like mid-afternoon, and the kitchen still had our breakfast mess that we made. I think we made pancakes, and then the air fryer was out from lunch, so it was a huge mess. But you guys, that is real life. Sometimes that's just the way things go. Okay, so after the 15 minutes has passed, I'm going to come into the family room and get it all vacuumed. I like to be extra thorough after using the carpet refresh just to make sure I get all of the excess powder. And I just love how the scent just lingers in the room just enough, but it seriously smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it through the screen. Don't you guys wish it actually took this long to vacuum a whole room? I always think that when I'm watching a cleaning video that, man, I really wish it took like 15 minutes to do a whole house clean with me. That would be amazing. So I've basically gotten myself into this routine of vacuuming the couches pretty much every time I vacuum this room, because even though the boys don't typically eat their snacks in here, they are constantly tracking crumbs in here, so it's just a normal thing now. I just vacuum the couches every time I vacuum this room. Okay, so moving back into the kitchen, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the dishes and just finishing up loading the dishwasher with whatever dishes needed to be loaded. And then I'm going to wash whatever dishes are left and put them away. So some days I would say dishes are my least favorite chore to do, but honestly, if you ask me about the bathrooms, those are also my least favorite, and I would much rather do the dishes than the bathrooms. So I guess it changes from day to day and depending on what needs to be done. But just out of curiosity, what is your least favorite chore to do around the house? Okay, so now that the dishes are pretty much all done, I just need to start the dishwasher, but I'm gonna move throughout the rest of the kitchen and just put things away and start wiping things down. So I know I mentioned earlier that I was using the Aunt Fanny's carpet refresher, but just to kind of let you guys know what I use to typically clean my house, especially in a routine like this one, but I usually use my thieves cleaner and I literally use it on pretty much every single surface on my house and I absolutely love it. But sometimes I do switch things up, and like today I am using my 7th generation granite cleaner, and you guys, this stuff smells so good. The other day I was telling Chris it reminds me of Fruity Pebbles. That's how good it smells. So I don't take Logan's chair down too often, but I would say maybe once a week or so, sometimes more if it looks like there's a lot of crumbs underneath there. And I put a towel down because I feel like it's a little easier to kind of keep clean, but I also feel like it offers a little bit more protection for the chair, just in case.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out.
So one thing that I wanted to do today was wipe down the cabinets, and this is something that I really want to try and get into the routine of doing a lot more often, just because the cabinets do get grimy. There's little handprints that have food stuck to them, and so this has been on my to-do list for a while now, so it definitely needed to get done, but it's something that I want to add into my cleaning routine a lot more often. So this is just a friendly reminder to wipe down your cabinets.
Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out.
So you guys, this was so satisfying to do. It felt so good just knowing that all of my cabinets were wiped down. There was no dust on them, no fingerprints, and it was a really good feeling. And it's really funny, I don't really walk into someone's house and notice that their cabinets haven't been wiped down. Like, that's not something that I would typically notice. But for me personally, knowing that I spent the time to wipe down my cabinets, the kitchen just felt that much cleaner. Such a funny feeling.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
Okay, so last but not least, I am going to go ahead and put things back into the family room, like my basket of blankets and the boys' toys. I also kind of sifted through some of the toys and pulled out some things that they don't really play with anymore, and just so it looks a lot neater. Chris would say that he would like me to pull out all of the toys, so there's like nothing down here, but right now it's just, I like having the convenience of having toys downstairs. But that's going to do it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this extreme cleaning motivation, and I hope you guys were cleaning right along with me and got some things done. But don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and give this video a thumbs up if you guys did enjoy it. And don't forget, the next video you guys will see is going to be me redecorating the house for spring, and I know you guys are going to enjoy it, so keep a lookout for that and stay tuned. But we will see you guys in our next video. Bye!